Do you know what a group of animals are called? Let's see if you can ace 100% in this quiz. The last 4 questions will test the limits of your animal vocabulary. Question 1. What is a group of geese called? A gaggle of geese. Question 2. A group of owls. A parliament of owls. Question 3. A group of flamingos. A flamboyance of flamingos. Question 4. A group of ravens. An unkindness of ravens. Question 5. A group of pandas. An embarrassment of pandas. Question 6. A group of caterpillars. An army of caterpillars. Question 7. A group of giraffes. A tower of giraffes. Lastly, here is a bonus question. What is a group of tigers called?